Hi guys, we're going to be working today on finding the median of a data set. So I have 10 questions here. We're going to work on a few of them together, and then you are going to do a couple of them in your quiz or as your quick check for the day. So we're going to go through just a few together. You're going to help me work through them. And then when it comes time to do your assignment today, you're going to have a form that goes through the information with you. So let's start by talking about how you find the median. So the first thing when you find the median is you have to label your numbers or list them from smallest to largest. Okay, so looking at these numbers right here, I'm literally going to label them or write them down from smallest to largest. So 1, and then 4, and then 30, 34, 43, and 45. Those are my numbers. Now, when I find the median, what I do is I literally go side by side and I start from the outside edge. So I mark out one here and one here, one here and one here. Uh-oh. We haven't had this before. We haven't talked about this before. So this is what happens when you have two numbers in the middle. Now, when you're trying to find the median of a number, you can't use two numbers. You have to do something else. So this time, what's going to happen is I'm going to find almost like the average or the mean of these two numbers. So I'm going to do 34 plus 30 equals 64. And then I'm going to divide by 2 because it's right in the middle. I need the halfway mark. 64 divided by 2 is 32. So for this one, my answer for my median would be 32. That's how you find your median if you have an even number of data points in your data set. Let's do number 2. Same way, same kind of method. Let's see what we can find. So 1, 7, 28, 32, 37, 43. What is your median? So take a minute, write these down, do the way that I just did it, see if you can figure it out. What is the median for this numbers data set? All right, here we go. I'm going to use my blue to mark them out. All right. Nope. This side. All right, 28 and 32, those are in the middle. So because of how I just showed you, I know that I'm going to have to add those. So 28 plus 32. 8 plus 2 is 10, carry my 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. Then I divide by 2. 60 divided by 2 is 30. Your median for this data set would be 30. Let's try number 3. All right, I'm going to just move my paper so you can kind of still see 3. I'm going to just flip it over. We're going to do 3 together. Here we go. That is my data set right there. You can see it. I want you looking at number 3 to write down on a separate piece of paper your numbers in order from the smallest to the largest. So just looking at number 3's data set for now, write your numbers in order from smallest to largest. All right, here we go. You should have had 2, 15, 28, 32, 33, 35, and 42. That is my data in my data set. Now we know that we literally mark off one number from each side at a time, right? So right side, left side, right side, left side, right side, left side. My number directly in the middle is 32. That should have been your median. All right. I want you to do number 4 on your own. So I want you to start by putting them in order from smallest to largest. Then find your median. What is the median for number 4? All right, let's see if you are right. I'm going to look one number at a time and put them in order. We have a 3, 7. All right, 17. 17. Notice I put them both down. 29. 42. 48. That is what you should have done first. Then I look at one digit at a time. I'm going to use my other method with 2 markers. Remember, you find a way that works for you. So one side at a time. So, yoop, yoop, yoop. So my middle number for this problem should have been 17. If you said your mean was 17, awesome, awesome job. So what's going to happen? The rest of this page is made into a Google form for you. If you need a piece of paper, please do so. Write them down. There are going to be 6 questions on the Google form. I am going to actually give you one extra credit question that is worth 4 points. You might want to brush up on what mean, median, and mode stand for and be able to answer that question. All right, have a great day, guys, and I will see you later.